How to invite friends on Uno. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to invite your friends to play Uno with you, whether your friends already have a game or not. I'll walk you through the entire process. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure that you have Uno app installed in your device. You can easily download it from a Google Play Store or an App Store. And once installed, open the app and log in and create an account. And now that you are logged in, here is how to invite friends who are already playing Uno. Tap on the friends icon at the bottom of the screen and you will see a list of recommended friends. To add someone, simply tap on the plus icon next to their name and a friend request will be sent, and once they accept it, you can start playing together. And if your friends don't have Uno yet, you can send them an invite. And here is how you can do it. Simply tap on your invite friends in the friends menu and choose how you would like to invite: Messenger, WhatsApp or SMS. Send an invite link to your friends, and once they download the game and accept the invite, they will be automatically added to your friends list. And that's it. Now you know how to invite friends on Uno and enjoy matches together. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.